Talofa lava and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa. Today I am going to be telling you about a story we are getting from Samoan artists or Measina Samoa. It's going to tell us about how Samoa got the plants for Siapo and for weaving. So enjoy. For those of you who don't know, Siapo is what we call the bark cloth in Samoa. In Hawaii, I think it's called Tapa. Fiji, it's called Masi, and in Tonga, it is called Ngatu. Yes, and so this bark cloth is found throughout the Pacific, but in Samoa it is called Siapo. Yes, so I'm going to tell you the story of how Siapo came to Samoa. There is one old 19th century story that tells us that the plants to make Tapa cloth came to Samoa by way of a Fijian chief. He had come to Samoa to find a husband chief for his daughter. On arrival, he found that the Samoans had no mats in their houses and slept only on dried grass. So he returned to Fiji and made up a present as if it was a dowry for his daughter. And as part of this gift, he included pandanus and paper mulberry plants. Returning to Samoa, he presented the gifts, knowing at that time it would provide the essential materials for making mats, and cloths. And that is how we got the plants to make mats, weave mats, and to make siapo here in Samoa. So siapo is the traditional way to make the paper. Let me show you a picture. The bark cloth. So these were either hand drawn or so hand drawn is siapo mamanu, and then there is the siapo tasina or siapo ele. So the upeti, it's like a board. So that is part of the siapo tasina. Modern days we see this form of artwork on ele material. They still do ele lovers and ele for like politasi and things like that. So what am I trying to tell you? I'm trying to tell you that Siapo was the beginning of how we have our modern day today ele, that we have all of our pretty materials with the different designs. Sometimes it is made traditionally with the upeti, with the board. Sometimes they now use stencils made from plastic, and sometimes they just draw it on the computer and print it out digitally onto material. And so I wanted to make that connection between the traditional siapo and how we now use it in modern days through ele. Yeah. Whawhatai te lava, and thank you for joining us here at Measina Treasures of Samoa. We hope that you found value in our video. So the Samoan Art and Artists by Sean Mellon is available for purchase online. I got this from New Zealand. Look it up. I'm sure you can find a copy. Yes. Is there another type of artwork that you would like me to research and share with you? Let me know in the comments. Yeah, We would really love your support with our videos. You can do this without sending us money. When you watch a video, when you like our videos, when you share our videos, even leaving a comment, all help us in the algorithms, which help us to get seen by other people, and yeah, help us to grow. So if you could do any one of those, like, share, comment, or subscribe, we would really appreciate that, and it would really help us here at Measina Treasures of Samoa. So for Taitala Lover again, thank you, and we really appreciate your time to watch our videos and to comment and share. Okay, have a good day. Tapa.